let's see the part 2 video of chapter number 17 and with their objects. In the previously part 1 we have seen the pattern of subject verb plus object, subject plus verb. So at last it is that like that, if we are making, if the subject verb is not there, if the verb and the object is not there, then the sentence is, with the verb the object is not there, the sentence is incomplete. So if the subject plus verb it is there and if the object is not there, then the sentence is complete only. It is not that much of important that if the subject is there and the verb is there, the object should be there. Yes, in case of this type of sentences, the object cannot be there also. Yes, so we will see some examples, 8 to 10 examples of it, and we will see that what is the transitive and intransitive, the two types of verbs, and some examples of it. So let's see the examples. Is playing the guitar. The boy is playing the guitar. So what is my object? So I am giving you one type of quiz type of question. You have to circle the verb and you have to underline the object in this. If I say the question is like that, you have to circle the verb and you have to underline the object in the sentence. So how? So the boy is playing the guitar. So here the three can come. Yes, the subject, the verb, the object. S plus V plus O. All are having that all the things in this. Yes. So in some of the sentence it is their subject plus verb only. In many of the sentence verb plus object. VO, SVO, SV. Let's see to it. So what? First of all, in this we have to see only the verb and their objects. Some examples. So verb. So is playing. I have to circle this, and my object is the guitar. It is my verb, and my object is the guitar. Yes, the boy is the subject. Yeah. So next is the bird is eating the worm. So is eating again is my verb. The worm is my object. Worm is object. Now third, Veena is painting the picture. Veena is painting the picture. So is painting. Is painting is my verb. And what? The picture. The picture is my object. Next, Rohan is making pasta. So is making is my verb. Pasta is my object. Right? Now let's look at it in the fifth number. My friend has not brought the library books. So my friend has not brought the library books. So what is the verb in this sentence? Has not brought. So as I told you that I will circle on it, then it is my verb, and the library books is my object. Right? Next, I made banana milkshake yesterday. So made is my verb. Is my verb, and banana milkshake yesterday is my object. Right? Now seventh, my mother bought a book. So my mother bought a book. So bought is my verb. A book is my object. So let's see the eighth number. I love chocolates. I love chocolates. So love is verb. And chocolate is my object. Groceries is my object. Next, Charu bought a new bicycle. Charu bought a new bicycle. So, bought will my verb and a new bicycle will my object. Right? So, let's do the quick revise of it. The first sentence, the boy is playing the guitar. So, is playing is my verb. Second, the guitar is my object because it is a thing, so it can be the object. Playing is the movement thing. The bird is eating the worm. So, is eating is my verb. The worm is my object. Again, Veena is painting the picture. So, is painting is the verb. The picture is my object. Fourth number, Rohan is making pasta. So, verb is making is my verb. Pasta is the object. Fifth, my friend has not brought the library books. So, has not brought is my verb. The library books is my object. I made banana milkshake yesterday. So, this I made is my verb. Banana milkshake yesterday is my object. My mother bought a book. So, what is my verb? A book is my object. Second, I love chocolates. So, love is my verb and chocolates is my object. The shopkeeper sells groceries. So, sales, something he is doing. So, sales is my verb. Groceries is my object. Now, the Charu. Charu, 10th number. Charu bought a new bicycle. So, bought is my verb and a new bicycle is my object. So, like this it can come in the exams that circle the verb and underline the object. So, you should know how to do in the exams, how to perform in the exams. Yes, now we will have a look on the transitive verb and the intransitive verb and their exam. Let's see that we have to explain you the examples of it. Now verbs are of two types. Yes, verbs कितने types के होते हैं students? Verbs are of two types. Transitive and intransitive. Yeah, so transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. There are two types of verbs in it. We have seen. Now we will see the correct definition of transitive verbs with their examples. Action that have a direct object to receive that action is called the transitive verbs. That action that have a direct object to receive that action. So, if action is there in the sentence, the verb is there in the sentence, there should be a direct object to receive it, to catch it, that action, yes, that verb. So that is called the transitive verbs. So what are the transitive verbs? Let's see. Action that have a direct object to receive that action is called the transitive verbs. So let's have a look on the examples. The man loved his children. Yeah, so the man loved his children. So your love is my verb, means my action. And this love is the object, the man is the subject in this sentence. Yes, and my direct object is, action is his children. What is my object? Direct object is the children. Object is the children. Yes. So, next. The doctor cured him. So the doctor cured him. So this subject is my doctor, and the direct object, the action that have a direct object is him, the person itself. He cured is my verb. Yes, my action. Then next, if we can say, she crossed the street. She crossed the street. So she crossed. Crossed is my verb, the action. And the direct object to receive is the street. Yes, the street. It is straightforwardly connected with the street. Now, the fourth number, Rohan kicked the ball. Yes, Rohan kicked the ball. So kicked is my verb. Action. The direct object is the ball. Object is my ball. So that connects with that action. That has a direct connection with the object, the ball. So now you understood that what is that action that have a direct object to receive that action is called the transitive verb. So the man loved his children. So verb action is love and his children is the direct object of it. The doctor cured him. The verb is my cured. Verb action is my cured and him is my direct object. Now she crossed the street. Crossed is my verb. Direct object is the street. The direct connection of the object is the street or for the verb. Rohan kicked the object. Rohan kicked the ball. So kicked is action, verb, and the ball is my direct object. The intransitive verbs. You can see the intransitive verbs. Okay. So what is intransitive verb? Action that doesn't have a direct object. To receive that action is called intransitive verb. An action that have a direct object means doesn't have an object, direct connection with the object. That is called, to receive that action is called the intransitive verb. As we have seen the transitive that has a direct object to connect it, to receive that action. So that is called the transitive, which doesn't have the direct object to receive that action is called the transitive verb. So let's see some examples. Snow fell yesterday. So your fell is my action. Yeah. So yesterday can't be my direct object because it fell on whom? Yes, it fell on whom? So that would be my, yes, that can't be my direct object because it is not given. There is no one to receive that action. It fell on whom we don't know. Right? Now second number. We failed. But in which subject? We failed. किस subject में हम fail हुए? That we don't know. Yes, we failed. That is my action. That is also my action. But it did not have the direct object to connect it. Yes. Now the third number. They work hard. Okay. So they work hard. it doesn't have in which thing they have, for what they have worked hard, that we don't know, that has not an object. So it can't say that it's a transitive, it is an intransitive verb, because no one is there to receive that action. There is no connection of the direct object, right? 4. The bus left early. So left. Yes, the bus left early. So left is my verb. Yes, but it doesn't have the direct object, because at what time? Early means kitni subah, kitni jaldi. That we don't know, because that no one is there to receive that action. Yes, kuch action direct connection hai hi nahi in that sentence. It is not there. So we can't say that it is an transitive verb. It is an intransitive verb. Yes, I hope students, you all have understood the part 1 and the part 2 of this chapter, the verb and their objects, very well. So we will meet with the new video next time. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.